Let's eat. Food's ready. Kain na. Luto na ang pagkain. Pagkain. Food. What you want to drink? Anong gusto mong inumin? Inumin. Drinks. The plates are already on the table. Nasa lamesa na ang mga plato. Lamesa or mesa. Table. Do you want more rice? Gusto mo pa ng kanin? Kanin. Rice. This dish tastes great, right? Ang sarap ng ulam, di ba? Masarap. Delicious. Clean up your room. Maglinis ka ng kwarto mo. Kwarto. Room. Put your clothes in the laundry basket. Ilagay mo yung damit mo sa laundry basket. Damit. Clothes. Don't forget to sweep the floor. Huwag mong kalimutang walisin ang sahig. Sahig. Floor. Are you ready to go out? Handa ka na bang lumabas? Lumabas. To go out. Let me know when you're ready. Sabihan mo ako kung handa ka na. Handa. Ready. Do you have your phone and keys? Nadala mo ba yung cellphone at susi mo? At and. Where are the car keys? Nasaan yung susi ng sasakyan? Sasakyan? Car. Don't forget to lock the door. Huwag mong kalimutang ikandado ang pinto. Pinto. Door.